What's going on, everybody, and hope you're having a great swimming day. And if you swim laps on a regular basis, like I swim every weekend, I used to swim in the mornings, but now just on the weekends. But I may now start swimming in the evenings after work because I'm more excited than ever that I've got this Waterfi Bluetooth swim kit. This product is a winner and it rocks. I have been using an MP3 player, listening to the same music, getting bored. I was out there just searching to see what else is on the market. I wanted to maybe get a new product. I've had that other one for a while. And so I came across Waterfi, which had the #1 ranking product for their MP3 FM player. But one of the problems I had with FM in swimming indoors, it was very staticky and an issue, and it may have been just the player, but regardless, I called the company and I learned about this brand new product they just came out with. In fact, you may go there right now. There may not even be any reviews, but down the road there will be a lot of reviews. I would expect that there would be. So click on the link in the description where you can at least learn more about the product, and when there's reviews, read them, and then you can order it. It is definitely an investment if you like to swim. So now you could take your swimming experience to a whole nother level, listening to anything your phone basically plays. And I love listening to my XM favorite channel. Maybe it might be 80s, it might be jazz, depending on my music. I could listen to it can also listen to Spotify, and then my morning favorite radio show that is in Florida. So I've got a whole lot of different options now, and this product really works well. So let me first share with you what's included. So this is the Bluetooth product. It does come with this very small micro USB cable, and that plugs into the port down here. And then this is the port for the headphones that come with them. They're very nice headphones, very lightweight. I like that they're small. They do come with these silicone earpieces and fits very, very comfortable in the ears. They did come with the very small ones. I went with the medium size. So you want them to fill your ears in well, especially when the water shouldn't get into your ear canal. And I found if any water did get in my ear canal, the nice part, unlike my other headphones, where I had a problem where I couldn't hear out of one ear, never had a problem with this. Quickly adjusted, and you're good to go. And then there's some extras in there. It also comes in this nice mesh bag that you could then just keep your headphones protected, and just take that with you, put that in your swimming bag, you're good to go. So nice bag there. They got their logo, the Waterfi logo on there very well. I like their color, their blue color. Fits perfect, obviously, with for water. And then again, you just plug this right into the headphone jack. And the way this gets set up with your swimming goggles, it just locks in like this. This piece can come off, by the way. So you can adjust that. Now here's the thing, this is supposed to stick up straight up when you're swimming, and I noticed in the video you'll get to see where I swim to the end of the pool. It did tilt to a little bit, but it wasn't a factor at all. So there you go. So this is what it's going to look like in the back. It didn't even bother me. I didn't even feel like it was there. So very lightweight, and then you just put these around your ears. In fact, let me just go ahead and put it on while we're doing this video. So it goes like this, and as you can see, I just gotta adjust it. So there we go, and then you would just put in the right ear. I think these are going in the right ear, and then that's it. And you can see how these just fit perfectly in the ear, and you get this thing just sticking up. Doesn't bother me, and again, I am just really pleased. All right, so we'll go ahead and I'll show you how you pair the phone, how you use all the functionality. It's a very simple controller. So you've got your play pause, you've got your seek forward, seek back, seek forward, and your volume buttons, and it works perfectly. Also, it does come in this tube. So there you go. And then you have your instruction sheet, which is got some good basic information, and then on the back it does have a 1-year warranty. So when you first get it, obviously you're going to charge it up. When it does charge, it's a red light. When it's done, it's a blue light. Now it does say a full charge does take 1.5 hours, and lasts for 6 hours of use. The initial charge, it didn't take long for it to charge. It was mostly charged when I got it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And it's cool. When you turn it on, by the way, it says on, power on. When you are done, it says power off, and also says pairing. So let me go ahead and show you that now. I'll show you on my screen here. And let me go ahead and put the record function on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and show you. And let me go, I'll plug in the headphones after. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Bluetooth and more settings. So this middle button is your main button. So you're going to press that and hold it down, and you'll see a blue light will come on, and you'll have this blue red light. Now I'm going to go ahead and click pair new device. And there you go. It's the one on top, Adoro BTA3. I'm going to go ahead and click that, and now it will say, all right, let's see what happened here. Let me open the app again. It is connected. Connecting, and it's now connected. So there you go. Sometimes it does give me that option to make it secure, but that was weird. The Bluetooth acted up on my phone. But we are connected, battery, and it even shows battery is 100%. So that's kind of cool. I just noticed that for the first time. All right, so now let's go ahead and go into music. Actually, before I do that, let me just, so you can hear. To turn it off, you would press and hold the middle button. And let me go ahead and press that. That's starting to already play music off my phone. So it just said power off. And now to turn it back on, you would just press and hold the middle button. And now it is on. And now it says connected. All right, so let's go ahead and set up for music. I hit an ad on my phone. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn on music. We'll press play. We'll go here to Hit My Soul. And there you go. You can hear the music. Now if I want to make it louder, I'm going to press the top button. You can see how it's adjusting the volume on my phone. Now if I want to seek forward, you would press this button here. So now it seeks forward. If I want to seek back, I would press this button here. And there you go. So that's cool. Now if I want to pause it, I press the middle button and then play again, and you are good to go. So very cool. So it works really smoothly. And again, if you have, which I have, XM, I've got my favorite radio station, Spotify, whatever you want to listen to. You got podcasts. I mean, it's perfect. And this definitely covers all your needs. As far as distance, as you can see here, I went all the way to the end of my pool, and reception worked perfectly. The only time I had an issue with reception was when I was doing the backstroke and the antenna got in the water. So it says that it will lose reception when it gets in the water when it comes back up, and no issue there. As far as the full length of coverage, let me just pull that up. I think it was, let's see here, the full length is, this is an 8.5 inch Bluetooth antenna. Let me go ahead and I'll share my screen actually with you again. So it's an 8.5 Bluetooth antenna, and it's great for the breaststroke, kickboard, and butterfly. Again, the backstroke, it's probably not going to be ideal, and as far as distance, it works up to 50 yards from your phone. So very, very cool there. A great product, and I couldn't be more pleased with it. So what can I tell you? This is a great product. I highly recommend getting it. You will love it as I do. It will now make my whole experience so much more enjoyable, so many different more options, and you'll look actually kind of cool with this product. So let me know again if you have any questions. Click on the link where you can get more information. Simple product, it works well. You can enjoy swimming. You maybe even want to swim more now, as I will want to swim more, and it just will make that experience great. And even, by the way, if you're just a casual swimmer, just want to sit in the water and just listen to music, it's great. And which, by the way, as far as sound quality, it's not high def sound, it's not this high fidelity sound, but it sounds very good, plenty loud, and it will make time fly by when you're swimming. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thank you for Waterfi for coming out with this great product. I am so glad I learned about it, and now I'm a happy swimmer. Take care. Thanks for watching.